Nice. Check out that bad boy. Oh, here's the charger. Pretty much just like the other one I got. Here's the battery. Want some? Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me put some water in. Put some hot water in it, okay? It'd be like gravy. You want some? Huh? It'd be like gravy. You want some? You want it? Okay, come on. Just trying to make sure that the puppy has a hot meal too. Made myself some chicken noodle soup. Oh boy. That's so good. Some hot chocolate. Cheers. That's good. Was it good? Huh? Did you like it? Was it good? Was it good? Okay. He's been taking a nap. He just woke up. I think he heard me rattling the pans around. So that new Milwaukee framing nailer that my son got, it packs a serious punch. It's got two settings on it where it'll drive the nail up close to the surface and then I put it on the other setting and it's driving it probably 3/8 to a half inch into the wood. What? You still got some food over there. Go eat it, okay? Go eat it. Mm. What? What? You want me to put some of this in your dish? Well, come here. Come here. He's spoiled rotten already. Mm. So that should make things go a whole lot quicker. I've run out of 12-foot 2x4s, so I'm going to have to cut some more tomorrow. I've got plenty of 2x4s. It just helps me to keep from having to splice them together if I use a whole one on the bottom and a whole one on the top. So it won't take long to use that many up on the different projects that I've got going on up here. Wasn't too bad. 4,000 of them. I think it was $73. at you. You got it on your face. Yeah, you got it on your face. Don't go through that. No, you're messing it up. Here. What are you doing, huh? Are you a good boy? Hmm? Oh, goodness. Well, good morning, everybody. We have got a log on the sawmill. I'm going to have to saw up some more 12-foot 2x4s because I've run out. So I've got Patrick again here with me to help. He wanted to come back.
I read the comments. I'll try to smile more this time. There we go.
He just loves to work, so he asked if he could come back, and I said, well, I've got plenty of it. Anyway, I built a little fire here where the puppy can kind of stay warm because it's about 30 degrees out here. Kind of chilly for this part of December, but hey, just lay down. You scratch it. Oh, your food? You know, why does he want to tip this dish over? I'll feed him, and then first thing he does is knock it over so that he can eat sawdust and chips and everything along with it. So, yeah. But anyway. All right, guys. Well, we're going to get busy. We have to cut this up so that I can continue to work on my walls. So, hope you sit back, stay tuned, and enjoy the video. Hold it right there. It's got a big old hump right in the middle.
Well, we're taking a break and eating us a little bit of a hamburger and hot dog. I actually brought 3 and 2 hamburgers, so I made Smoky one, and he thinks that he deserves another one. What? 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 What do you want? You want some? Hmm? You want some? Here.
And then Jennifer's not here, but she said to tell a joke. So, Yoda from Star Wars. What is Yoda's last name?
I have no idea.
Leahy-hoo. So, Yoda Leahy-hoo. That was from Jennifer.
Leahy-hoo. You didn't like the joke? What? What? What do you want? What? What is it? Huh? What is it? Huh? You have all kinds of dog food and toys and treats and everything. You do. You're spoiled rotten. You're spoiled rotten. You want some more? Hmm? You want some? Alright guys, we're going to eat this up and get back to milling some 2x4s. And that should be able to do enough. Actually what we're getting done is to do the bottom and hopefully those gable ends. So like I said, we get this ate up, we'll get back at it. Well guys, we have got a good start on these. We got 19 of the 12 footers and 27 of the small ones. I think a couple of those are culls, but we're going to grab another 12 foot and cut it because I can use those up on the gable portion as well. So yeah, coming along good. I'm glad that we actually cleared those out from the kitchen so they didn't fall in the kitchen, and we're actually putting them to good use. And then the other tops and branches are stacked up over there on the other side of the main logs to be used for the chicken house. And the only thing that we ended up doing was burning the tops that I really can't use. I kept some of the thicker branches for spindles for different projects and stuff, but yeah, working out good. So I'm also getting a big slab of a big stack of slab wood. Big. Spit that out.
Well, I hate to talk very loud because we just opened up the door over here to carry all this lumber in. Check out this. This is a pretty good day's work of cutting up 12s, and basically those are 9 foot. Well, I'm going to use them for 8 footers, but that's enough to do all of this, the rest of this down here, and get started on my gable ends. But Pumpkin over here, Smoky, he has been running outside and playing, and he even laid down over there in the corner of the sawmill and went to sleep while I was going back and forth with the sawmill. He jumped up here in this bed, and check him out. He is sound asleep. But yeah, Patrick, my man here, he came back up and helped. He wanted to come back. He said he enjoys helping out. And I would have never got that much done had he not come up here and helped. So thank you very much for doing that.
Thanks for letting me come out.
I've got a few culls mixed in here that's got some bark on them, but what I'll do is I'll kind of cut the end off. I'm not going to throw the whole thing away because when I get up in there, there'll be a lot of different size pieces up there. So whatever I don't use, then I'll get rid of that. But most of it is good. This end, of course, is going to get cut off just like all the rest of them, so most of those are good that have this much bark on them right there. But yeah, I'll be able to get started tomorrow working on the rest of the wall and hopefully getting that closed up within a week. And I'll jump up there on the gable ends and probably spend 2 or 3 days getting those closed in. And then guess what, guys? It is time for siding. So I'm excited about that. Got my daughter checking on the windows. The front door I'm actually going to make myself. The back door, I'm just going to go ahead and buy one. But yeah, I want to make a door for the front just like I did for the compost toilet, where it looks kind of hobbity or medieval like. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and close up shop, pick up all the tools, and I will see you in the morning.